Does the curly girl method need to be complicated? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is kind of exciting because I am planning on starting a new series here on my channel called Courtney, the Simple Curly Girl. And in this series, I will be testing out different wash days to see the maximum wash day quality for minimum products. The goal is to have really good curl definition, curl enhancement, shine, and wash day longevity with 2, maybe 3 products. And if this sounds really interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when I upload another Courtney Does Simple Curly Girl video. Also, if you like the idea for the series, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out. It also lets me know that this is an intriguing subject. I am always enjoying experimenting and playing around with products on my channel. So anyway, why don't we go ahead and jump right into this video and start this first attempt at a simple wash day.
Hey there guys, welcome to my bathtub. Once again, we're going to be jumping right into washing my hair, and I'm really excited to only be using 2 products for this wash day. How fun is that? Making this simple. So I'm going in with the Tea Tree Triple Treat Conditioner from Giovanni. I really love this product as a co-wash. It's really just a conditioner, but I find that it actually will kind of foam up a little bit if you add water to it. It really feels almost like a low poo. So I've gotten about 5 pumps here. I put 2 pumps in the back of my head, 2 pumps in the front, and 1 kind of in the middle. And there I was just adding a tiny bit of water to it, and you can really see how much it foamed up. And because I'm co-washing, I'm really going to take my time scrubbing my scalp, including while I'm rinsing. I find that this is crucial for clean when I'm co-washing, scrubbing my scalp while rinsing. So helpful. All right, still working, getting all of that air quotes dirty conditioner out of my hair, the conditioner that theoretically picked up all the grease and nastiness off of my scalp. Rinsed that all out. Now I grabbed air quotes clean conditioner, and I'm working that through the mid-lengths to ends of my hair to condition my hair. So those first 5 pumps, I focused mainly on my scalp for cleansing purposes, and the next 2 pumps are going to condition the lengths of my hair. My hair is finally getting long enough that I feel the need to go ahead and condition it. Even when I co-wash, it's like, yeah, it just needs that little bit of extra. All right, so I am doing a good squish to condition with that product, as we know that is very helpful to thoroughly hydrating the hair, giving your hair a chance to absorb some of that conditioner. And now I'm going in with a mystery product. This is a flaxseed gelatin mixture that I am experimenting with. I thought it would be really fun for this first simple curly girl routine to use 1 store-bought product and 1 homemade product, like minimizing the number of things you have to go out and buy. So this is kind of a homemade recipe. It was my first time trying it, and I gotta say, oh my goodness, y'all are just gonna have to watch, but I really liked it. Y'all can see as I'm putting it into my hair how much curl enhancement it's encouraging, how clumpy my hair is getting. I've known in the past that my hair likes gelatin, especially if you've seen my gelatin video, where I use gelatin as a protein treatment. And y'all have seen my flaxseed gel video where I use straight flaxseed on my hair. But yeah, there we go. That is why I decided to use that product today. Okay, so I plopped for about 10 minutes, and now I'm just giving my hair one more good scrunch, and I am really making sure that all of my curls are placed exactly where I want. I kind of use this step to fix any wonkiness, and now I'm going to diffuse.
All right, so I diffused to 90%. I totally switched diffusing halfway through back to the Xtava Black Orchid Giant Diffuser. I couldn't do it with the little hover diffusing technique. I thought I could, but I couldn't do it because I could tell my curls were elongating on me and I didn't want that. Anyway, now my hair is 100% dry and I'm ready to scrunch out this crunch. And can I just say, guys, I got like a really good cast this time and a lot of shrinkage. I'm gonna test out my concoction a few more times before I share what it is and make sure that my hair does actually like it and that this isn't a fluke one-time thing. Anyway, let me go ahead and scrunch this out. Enough chatting. Let's get to scrunching. Oh my goodness. My hair feels so light and bouncy. This is weird. All right, and here's my hair right after I scrunched out the crunch. And for the sake of testing out the longevity of this styler, I think I'm gonna do a couple more check-ins. What do y'all think? Let me know down below. All right, and here is actually about halfway through day 2. Yay! I didn't get a chance to document how it looked at the end of day 1 yesterday, but guys, it was awesome. It held up beautifully. And this is one of those cases where it looked great when I took it out of my pineapple this morning, and then for fun, I decided I wanted to try and refresh it, and I tested out a new leave-in spray. Y'all know, if y'all have watched my refresh video, that my preferred method of refreshing is to get just a little bit of leave-in that's like a spray on my hands and like smooth it over and scrunch it in. Well, I tried it with a new leave-in spray today, and that spray has a little bit of glycerin and a little bit of protein in it, and my hair went, too much protein. And that's really saying something because my hair loves protein. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you how this settled down. And remember, what I mean by how it settled is that when you take your hair right out of your pineapple, if you're curious to see how I protect my hair at night, go ahead and watch this video too. That will answer all of those questions. But basically, I put my hair up in something called a pineapple. It's just a hair tie. Anyway, I put my hair up at night, and when I take it down for the day, it looks crazy. And you let it completely settle. You don't touch it, you don't fluff it, you don't try and refresh it. When I took it out of the pineapple and let it settle, guys, it was glorious. It looked really good. I have no idea why I decided to try and refresh it. Maybe I thought I could make it look even better. Well, whoops. It is a little bit stringier now. It's feeling a little bit dry and over-proteined, which, that's impressive. Also, my homemade gel concoction, that was my first time making that particular recipe at home, and I want to share my thoughts with you on it, but I'm going to test it out a little bit more and gather more thoughts on it before I go public with it. So don't worry, I will be sharing what I made, exactly how I made that gel, but if you wanted to, you could still do this exact same routine using the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Treat Conditioner and homemade flaxseed gel, which I have showed exactly how I make it right here. All right, guys, and that is it for today's video. First attempt at Courtney Does Simple CG went pretty well, I've got to say, in my book. Like, my day 2 hair doesn't always look this defined and clumpy and pretty. I know it's definitely stringier than it was when I took it out of the pineapple. Man, I wish I hadn't tried to make things better. Sometimes you just need to leave well enough alone. That's a life lesson right there. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh, I will throw in the little caveat here that this series was inspired by my friend Marissa Curls over on Instagram. Seriously, she is a wealth of knowledge. Y'all should totally go follow her. I will have her Instagram link down below. But she started a challenge, a simple CG challenge over on Instagram, and I thought, this would be so much fun to just start documenting incredibly simple wash days, showing the process and showing the result. So anyway, go show her some love because this idea was awesome. All right, and for those of y'all who have stuck around till the end of this video, you guys will be getting a very special little sneak peek and some insider info into something I've been working on behind the scenes that I'm really excited for. So a lot of y'all have talked about the different shirts that I wear and I really appreciate y'all. I love that y'all notice that my shirts kind of have a little secret awesome message, and I actually did that very intentionally, and I really wanted my shirts to reflect my heart. So if y'all have been interested in where I get my shirts, I actually made these myself. All of my shirts have a little logo down here that says swavycurlycourtney, and each shirt is a little bit different, but for those of y'all who have been noticing my shirts and have been interested in them, these shirts here, including the one I'm wearing, so these 4 plus the one I'm wearing, will be available very soon to you guys. I'm working on getting a website all set up. If y'all would be interested in a shirt, please leave me a little heart eyes emoji down in the comments so that maybe I can get an idea of exactly how many shirts we're looking at here. But when the website is up and running and ready, I will absolutely let y'all know. And again, thank y'all so much for watching this video and hanging out with me today. You guys have blessed me wildly, and I just hope that I can turn around and help you guys out in return. Thank y'all. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!